Hi everyone, this is Leah from NSELED. Today I will show you our holographic rental LED display. Featuring a P3.91, each cabinet is 1 by 1 meter. Lightweight design, about 8 kilograms. One person can easily carry it. It supports standing, about 5 centimeters. Also support hanging. Its modular design supports faster installation. This is a 1 by 2 meter setup, ideal for shop window display and storefronts. Here is a 2 by 2 meter display, perfect for exhibition and event stage. And this is a 3 by 2 meter setup, perfect for luxury events, trade shows, product launches, and immersive installation. With up to 80% transparency, the screen delivers immersive visual while keeping the background visible. Lightweight design, high transparency, faster installation, built for modern events with us.